Today we are here to find out what's so cool about manufacturing at Crayola.
We are from the Wilson Area School District and we went to Crayola to find out how crayons are manufactured.
Crayola's mission is to help parents and educators raise creatively alive kids.
Crayola has been in business for 134 years.
Let's find out what some of Crayola's employees have to say about manufacturing.
For me, manufacturing is a great career, so I would say to anybody thinking about choosing manufacturing as a career, it's been great to me. I think there are many opportunities. I believe manufacturing will be an important part of our economy, not only here in the Lehigh Valley, but in the United States. So these are multiple career paths that people can take in manufacturing, engineering, operations, logistics, so it's wide open. They're well-paying jobs and it's very rewarding.
Quality assurance engineer does a little bit of everything. I get involved in any quality issues that they might be having. I troubleshoot problems in the manufacturing areas when they're having problems processing either raw materials or finished goods or anything that we do.
I love what I do every day and it's fun coming to work. I enjoy it a lot. I went to school for supply chain management, so I kind of have a broad spectrum of everything. My favorite thing is going basically from seeing the process from our resins, our raw materials, all the way to having crayons packed out, into our cartons. And that whole process to me of making something from pretty much nothing into a finished product, it's good.
And look what we found out!
Automation has changed the job that I do by safety, because we used to pick up everything by hand and now it's a machine that picks it up for us. And actually quality and quantity, because now we make more crayons per minute.
What's cool about this machine is just the technology in it, and it's innovation in real life, and taking basically a handful of those packers and running it with the same crew, and we can produce like 3 or 4 times that amount.
So what you started with that molding and labeling with the crayon wax, the glue, and the labels, in the end you get this really nice box of crayons.
What's so cool about manufacturing is being able to work with others towards a common goal to make the lives a little bit more colorful for everyone.
We had a great time at Crayola learning about what's so cool about manufacturing.